Hello, I'm Tom. I'm the Product Marketing Manager for Chief and Middle Atlantic at Legrand, and I would like to welcome you to our booth at ISE 2026. The product I would like to show you is the Chief Universal LED mounts. The tiled LED mounts have been available since last year, but since this year we have added lengths, which makes it possible to install panels of 500 or 1000 millimeters and 43-inch panels as well, in addition to the mounts for the 27-inch panels, which we had last year already. With our system, it's really easy to create a flat wall because of all the adjustment possibilities you have, which cuts installation time in half, and it has half of the anchor points of competing mounts. We also added a spacer tool, which makes it even easier to get the right spacing between the vertical rails and to increase your installation time even more. If you would like to have more information about this product, please visit our website legrandv.com.